Hello, dear student. Hope you are doing great and excited to start. My name is Katerina, and I am one of the members of Syntax team. And on behalf of the whole team, I would like to welcome you to a Sdet self-paced course. We are very pleased to have you join the program, and we hope you will gain the best positive outcome from this course. In this video, I will show you the platforms we use, how to accept the invitations, and how the whole program is structured. So let's get started. Right now, you can see Discord, which you have joined recently. I will walk you through the channels we have here just later, after I show you how to accept the invitations and how the whole course and platforms work. So let me just... So we are using just two platforms for our course: Canvas LMS platform, where we store written materials like slides, presentations, task descriptions for projects, and plus assignments and quizzes. Of course, you have practical assignments to practice on, because just through the practice you will gain more knowledge. And the second platform is Widget. We store our recorded classes on Widget platform. So let me show you how to accept the invitations to both of these platforms. So you go to your Gmail account and go to Inbox. And you will see two invitations, two emails, Canvas and Widget. If you cannot find invitations in your inbox, just check your spam folder, or just type in a search bar Canvas and Widget, and you will see them. Or you can just go to Discord, to technical support channel, and type that you have not received invitations yet. So let's start with Canvas, because you will always start with Canvas. So just click on the email and you will see that you've been invited to participate in a self-paced Sdet course. Here will be your name, your email, and you just need to click on this blue button, Get Started. Okay, continue. And the very, very important thing right now, you just need to click on this green button, Accept. If you don't click on Accept, you won't be able to see the whole content of the course. So we click on Accept, and you can see that you were redirected to another page, Welcome Aboard pop-up window. And what you need to do is to click on Create My Account. First, your login will be just your email address. You don't need to create it, and you've been invited by your Gmail account. The only thing which you need to do is just to create a password, which you can remember. So then you just need to select your time zone. Actually, it doesn't matter, because Canvas doesn't have calendar, because the course is just self-paced format. So, but anyway, we are located in a Eastern time, and I select Eastern time. So I want to receive information, news, and tips from the instructor Canvas. For example, I can just unmark it, but I need to agree to acceptable use policy and just click on Register. We will wait for some time. Yes, and you have registered, and you can see that you have different fields here, sections actually. Yes, and you just need to click save to save the password of Canvas. And what we recommend, you also can add to favorites, to bookmarks, or for example, you can just create a folder named Syntax Bootcamp and just bookmark the page. So let me just show you the whole course, the whole program is divided by weeks. All right, all the weeks are just expanded. So yes, you will be having, let me see, 22 weeks. Let's start with week 1. I will just show you the whole concept and the whole idea, how it works, and then you will understand and you will apply it to all the rest weeks, the approach. So the whole week is divided into days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, 5, 6, and 7, just for your convenience. For example, you can start watching all the videos all at once of all the weeks because you have access to all the materials, just share it all at once. And it's available for you. Any of those videos which you can see, you will find it on Vidyard. But we believe that it's more structured and more understandable when you divide the videos and you're learning into days. And it has kind of structure and it doesn't look messy. So we just put all the materials of the whole week and divide it into days. So let me show you how it works day by day. And I will show you other sections we have here. So right now we have day 2, for example. And first, what you need to do, you need to start with Java in IntelliJ installation videos. All our installation videos are stored on YouTube, and you will be, by clicking the link, you will be redirected to YouTube. So let's go here. And you can see that we have a step-by-step guide video with our instructor who will be showing you how to install IntelliJ. Yes, you just follow along and you will be good. If you face any issues, you can just go to Discord in a technical support channel and post the message here and just take a screenshot of your issue and post it here. And our instructors will help you. So then, just to go back, we need to click on modules again. And we are back to the week 1 module. So then, for example, you have Windows. You click on Windows link, install in IntelliJ, and do the same process. Just watch the video and install IntelliJ. The next video which you need to watch is Getting to Know IntelliJ. Once you are done and Java is installed, then you can go to the day 4 directly. And what you can see that you need to watch these videos on the hub. What hub means actually? Hub means our widget platform. I mean, it's not ours, but we use it. It's a video platform where we store all the classes. We mention the names of the topics here. What you need to do next, you go to your Gmail inbox. As previously, you get the email from Canvas, the same way you will get the email from Widget. So let's go there. Let's click on this blue button, click here to sign in. Again, you will be redirected to the Widget website. And what you need to do, you just need to create the password again. Just make sure that they match and then click on set password. And here you can see all the videos of the whole program divided. Yes, just you can save your password here. It's asking me to update it. I won't be doing this, but you will need to save it. And again, you can just bookmark the page. So here, all the videos are divided by categories, by topics. You can see SDLC learning, you can see Java learning, you can see manual testing learning, Git, and so on. If you scroll down, you will see what you will be learning. And you can see how many videos are there in this particular topic. Or in here, in Java, we have 96 videos, in manual testing 24 videos, Git has 15 videos, and so on. You can just check it. So yes, what we can do. So how Widget and Canvas work together. First, the whole order of the topics and the videos are mentioned on Canvas. You just need to go one by one and doing and watching the videos just how it's showing here. And then you will be good because it has structure, it has clear understanding, and we were thinking how it's best for the students to go over the videos and gain knowledge and concepts, just starting with simple Java and going to advanced topics. Plus, in between of Java, you will be having Git lessons, manual testing. So it's all very thought, and we sort of all details. So we hope the structure will help you to gain more knowledge and understanding. So the next, we stopped on day 4. So what we need to do, we need to start watching our first videos. We see that there is the name of the video mentioned your first Java program, Hello World Explained. What we do, we go to our widget platform and we go to Java learning category. We click on the video. All the videos have numbers. So if even you don't follow the order of the videos on Canvas, anyway, you will understand what video goes after what. And you will understand that, for example, yes, this is the last video, 96, and you will understand the order on widget anyway. what to watch first and what goes after. So you just click play. All right, so all our videos have subtitles. You can turn them on and off. Plus, you can change the quality of the video. Yes, for example, this one, and of course, you can manage your volume. And you can expand your screen. And for example, we usually, for our regular classes, for our bootcamp with some more live classes, we recommend to have second monitor. So on one, you can just watch the classes, and on the second one, you can just work and code along with the instructor in the video. So let's go back. Yes, and just to go back to the main page, you can just click on Syntax logo and you will be redirected to the main page again. So, for example, we watched all 3 videos, and then what we can see assignment in here. You just click on it and you will see the task description and submission requirements. Submit your code, please, Java file. And here you can see that, of course, you don't have any due dates. You can practice anytime, you can submit anytime, but allow attempts just to attempt. Submitting a file upload. So maybe we will just change this, allow attempts as well. So we will see. But for now, just allow the attempts just to submit in file a file upload, and you can see this is Java file, and file types is Java. Of course, we have a video how to convert to Java files. You just need to watch the videos. And to start the assignment, you just need to click on Start. And of course, drag a file here or choose a file to upload. You upload Java file and you click on Submit your assignment. Let's go back. To go back, you just click on Module. And we're going back where we stopped. So, and here you can see slides of first 3 videos, which are mentioned above. Slides are like your notes. For example, you don't need to write down anything, but you will find all the important information in the slides. All right. Slides are downloadable. You can just download all the slides from the program. So, or just look at the slides and go over them just online on Canvas. Okay, let's go back to modules. And on day 6, for example, we have Git installation videos. So again, there is a step-by-step guide to creating a GitHub account, how to install Git, Mac and Windows. And here, once you create a GitHub account, please submit your GitHub username here, and we will invite you to our repository, which will be private at some point of time. And GitHub username is needed to get more homework for Java. So then you can see there is a link. So you can see the topic Java homework in GitHub. Watch the videos below. And you can see how to clone homework from GitHub, how to configure IntelliJ. Here is the Java homework assignments. This is the link to a GitHub Java homework assignments. If you click on it, you will see all of these instructions in the videos above, but you will need to copy this link and paste it to your GitHub and it will work. So again, we can click on previous, or we can just go to modules again, just to see the main page. Okay, for example, we watched all Git videos. What we have next, we have watched the videos on the hub. And again, we go to widget hub and we need video number 8 and number 9. Okay, here's Java learning. We can see view all. Let's find our video number 8 and 9. So you can just click on it and you will see the video number 8. All right. Okay. All right, and we have assignment again, and we have slides in here. And here you can see that there is another Java assignment. Please submit your homework here. And it's a bit different from this one and this one. This is for submission from GitHub. And again, in all of these videos, you will see how to submit your solutions here on Canvas from IntelliJ. So then there is a week 2. And we are starting with a new topic, SDLC learning. And you can see that again, we need to watch the videos on Hub. And you can see that we have a new topic, Agile and Agile frameworks. So let's go back to our Hub. And we can see SDLC learning categories here. And you can see the first video which we need to watch is what is Agile and why to use it. And you will see another instructor, DLC. Yes, Sahel will be teaching you about this DLC. Yes, we just click on our logo here again to go back. And again, you have slides. You can just click on them, go over them online on Canvas, and you can download them. And here, for example, you have your first SDLC quiz. Let's click on Take the Quiz. Once you have submitted an answer, you will not be able to change it later, and you won't be able to view the previous question. So the right answers will be available for you just after second attempt. So yes, what does SDLC stands for? And you just need to select the right answer. By the way, I don't know the right answer because I am not a technical person, unfortunately. So yes, just click on next. Yes, and you have time, 30 minutes, so you just need to be in a time frame, okay? Okay, let's just cancel it. And here, you need to click on Submit Quiz, all right? Okay, yes. Yes, you see, answer will be showing after your last attempt, and you have allowed 2 attempts. Time limit, 30 minutes, 21 questions, and 21 points. And we have grades in here, of course. So Then we can go to modules. Just please, our biggest recommendation is not to skip assignments and quizzes, because that's how you gain knowledge, that's how you understand the logic and concept. So on day 4 of week 2, you have videos to watch, and here is a video how to get more Java homework. All right, and the same approach for week 3, and you will see the projects just later on. The first project will be manual testing, then it will be Java, Java basics, Java oops, concept. So you will have fun. Actually, you will be having many projects, many assignments. Yes, just a lot to work on actually. So just the last thing which I wanted to show you on Canvas, we have assignments here, and to have better view, just click on show by type, and you will see that you have SDLC quiz, then you have Java quizzes, you have Java assignments here, you have Selenium assignments and quizzes here, and you have solutions for Selenium assignments. For example, you are taking assignment of Selenium multi-select, select drop-down. And you have submitted the solution, and you need to check if it was correct what you did. So what you do, you just go and find solution from drop-down. No, for multi-select, select drop-down assignment. You click on it, and you will see the solution here, the right one, and you can check. For Java assignment, you can check if you're right or not just in IntelliJ. And as guard, our Java instructor, in all the videos just in week 1, showed how to see if your code is correct or not. And of course, you can use help of ChatGPT, but be careful. First, you need to understand the logic and concept, and then you can check if ChatGPT is really right in writing the codes and test it. Then it will be good. So then we are going back to modules. Yes, and this is pretty much it. You're just going over all the weeks. And again, you can, since this is self-paced course, you can just work and watch the videos on your own at your self-paced, so at your pace actually. So yes, this is it about Canvas. This is it about widget and all the videos you will be having. And let me just tell you some words about Discord. So here we have course announcements channel, and usually just syntax team sends a message here about some important information. And we have information channel, and here you can see we have live questions channel, and this channel you use when you are having a live class, and we just need to know when to have live class with you. And we have technical support channel in here actually, and we have 3 technical support instructors, Shiva, Anusha, and Siri. And for non-technical issues like access issues with Canvas, Zoom, widget, we have Viona. And for payments or personal concerns, we have me, Katerina Support. So yes, we have referral channel. Here we have amazing referral program, so you can just check the conditions here, how it works, and I hope and we believe you will find someone who will be interested in taking the course as well. Maybe even full course with 2 live classes per week. And here we have live classes channel during the live class with the instructor, and here technical support channel, and most probably you will be having questions about installation and technology. So whatever you are having, any issues with your code or something which you cannot just solve on your own, you can also ask our technical support team and they will be happy to help. So thank you so much for watching, and we wish you huge luck, and thank you so much for joining us